In this world, nothing can be said to be certain, except death, taxes, and the fact that accounting, business studies, and economics are subjects that are highly relevant to the continual functioning of our society. But what exactly do these fields of study entail? Where and how should we strengthen our understanding of these social sciences? Why should we concentrate our efforts on them in the first place? Let's find out. Firstly, let's run through a brief overview of each subject. Accounting or accountancy is the measurement, processing, and communication of financial and non-financial information about economic entities such as businesses and corporations. This subject is often referred to as the backbone of all businesses. Accounting students learn how to summarize, analyze, and report transactions to oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities, and go on to enjoy a wide array of career options in the private sector, government agencies, accounting firms, and individual entrepreneurship. After acquiring basic accounting knowledge through foundational programs such as the Certified Accounting Technician (CAT) qualification or an accounting diploma, one already can secure an entry-level position in the field. But a more comprehensive accounting education, such as a bachelor's degree in accounting or an Association of Chartered Certified Accountants (ACCA) qualification, may lead to better salaries and job prospects. On the other hand, advanced degrees, certification, and licensure can unlock more senior positions, such as auditor, accountant, and controller positions. Next, business studies is a field of study that deals with the principles of business, management, and economics. Broadly, it covers how various types of businesses are established, financed, run, and regulated, as well as their interactions with stakeholders and the economy. This subject will be most relevant to aspiring entrepreneurs, but those interested in salaried roles may find that knowledge of business principles may benefit them immensely as well. After all of us interact with businesses daily, no matter if we're customers, onlookers, owners, or employees. Among the professions that are relevant to the subject of business studies are business management, business analysis, marketing, consulting, finance, and accounting. Lastly, economics is a social science that focuses on the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services, and analyzes the choices that individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make to allocate resources. Should governments tax the rich more to reduce income inequality? How to help billions of people who live in poverty? How can nuclear powers avoid an arms race? These are questions that are asked in economics. This subject can be divided into two subfields. Macroeconomics analyzes the economy as a system where production, consumption, saving, and investment interact, and factors affecting it. Whereas microeconomics analyzes what's viewed as basic elements in the economy, including individual agents and markets, their interactions, and the outcomes of interactions. Economics is a truly versatile subject, with applications in business, finance, healthcare, crime, education, law, philosophy, politics, religion, social institutions, war, science, and the environment. Learners of economics have enviable flexibility to choose from a wide range of careers, including those in investment banks, management consultancies, government think tanks, international policy institutions, and more. Now that we have an understanding of these subjects, there remains the question: what is the most ideal method of acquiring the relevant knowledge? An answer that many an excellent student in Klang Valley would provide is none other than through the IGCSE courses taught at Twins Education Tuition Centers. Created by Cambridge Assessment's International Examination, CAIE, over 25 years ago, the Cambridge IGCSE qualifications are accepted and valued by leading universities and employers around the world as evidence of academic achievement. Their programs and qualifications set the global standard for international education, are created by subject experts, and reflect the latest educational research. IGCSE Accounting covers vital subject areas such as the fundamentals of accounting, the preparation of financial statements, and basic accounting procedures. Not to be outdone, IGCSE Business Studies readies students to face a multitude of realistic business scenarios through a syllabus enriched with case studies and up-to-date examples. Finally, IGCSE Economics students learn to work with simple economics data and to use the tools of economic analysis. Aside from simply developing an understanding of economic theory, terminology, and principles, these students also apply this knowledge to current economic issues. At Twins Education, teaching the subjects of accounting, business studies, and economics is more than just a profession, it's a passion. This education provider serves the Klang Valley region with 2 brick-and-mortar centers located in USJ 9, Subang Jaya, and Kota Damansara, Petaling Jaya, next to major LRT and MRT stations respectively. Students living outside this region, including international students, can also enjoy its tutoring services via interactive, focused, and enjoyable online tuition classes. Due to Twins Education's focus on quality, group classes are segregated based on examination series and contain 10 students on average, and classes span around 1 hour and 30 minutes each. Accounting, business studies, and economics tuition classes are taught by encouraging and supportive tutors in possession of at least 5 years of teaching experience and a relevant undergraduate or graduate degree. With a promise of no hidden costs, competitive tuition rates are charged, which are calculated on a case-by-case basis, class duration, class size, date of registration, etc. Students can request one-on-one classes at an additional cost for a personalized and focused learning journey. In order to facilitate learning, tools such as Google Classroom and Skype are used during online classes. Nowadays, most students want nothing more than to bring home excellent academic results. No organization understands this more than Twins Education, and they have the evidence to prove it. Since their opening in 2014, this tuition center has established a truly outstanding track record. In fact, over 80% of their past students have scored straight A's in their IGCSE exams, and most have gone on to study at globally recognized universities. As might be expected, their student satisfaction level is excellent with over 1,000 positive reviews and an average score of 4.9 out of 5 on Google Reviews. We've reached the bottom line. Enrolling in Twins Education's IGCSE Accounting, Business Studies, or Economics tuition can bring any Year 10 and 11 student massive benefits in terms of both career and personal development. So what are you waiting for? Contact Twins Education to sign up today. Contact details can be found at www.twinseducation.com.